how can you remove the autofocus on any Android phone? So let me talk about it. And if this is your first time on Foxtecc channel, most definitely become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Of course, whenever you are using your camera on your phone like that, you can manage or change the different focus effects, right? So for example, when you go to the video, right, so by default your camera will focus automatically, so you have the like automatic focus in place, but you can also tap on some individual things like that and lock the focus on a particular subject, right? So you can for example lock it on something in the background by holding down on it like that, and then the autofocus is kind of locked in one place, so you turn it at least temporarily from automatic to manual focus. But I believe that a better approach would be to switch to a different camera mode completely, because at the bottom you can switch from the video mode to the more, depends on your phone of course, but there you can access most likely the professional video. And in there, you can literally set up a manual focus, which is going to give you like these options. So you can literally control it like on a professional DSLR. It's getting to that level. So I think it's actually very useful because you can set up the manual focus, and even like more professional features are in here, which you might be interested in as you know you're trying to remove the autofocus. So play around with the other options, and it's very likely that your shots and the videos will end up looking even more professional than using the built-in mode, because you know the built-in video mode is fine, it captures everything quickly, but if you want to be professional and cinematic, this is what you have to get in touch with or get used to using. So let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.